Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We're going to Pampa's Brazilian Steakhouse in downtown Calgary. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says beautiful downtown Calgary, where people from other cities drive in to go to work. That should be their motto. Anyways, we're going to go to get some Brazilian steak. Now, the origin of the Brazilian Steakhouse comes from the gauchos in southern Brazil. And gaucho means skilled horseman who's reputed to be brave and unruly. Kind of like Mookie. Mookie, are you a gaucho? She's definitely brave and unruly. That's for sure. She could be a gaucho. This type of cooking method with the swords and skewers with the meat over the fire was popular even centuries ago in Uruguay, Argentina, and again southern Brazil in the Pampa region. And that's the name of the steakhouse, Pampas. I thought it was just the name of the guy, Big Pompey or something, but it's a region in Brazil. And we're going to go there and check it out. But first up, we're going to make a drink. I've gone on too long, Mookie. My little brave, unruly gaucho. So today we're gonna make a Derby daiquiri. So I just have my cocktail shaker. Gonna put a little ice in there, Mooks. 1, 2, 3. How do you like that, Mookie? All right, and we're gonna go 2 ounces of OJ. And then a dash of orange bitters. And basically the recipe I got from diffordsguide.com calls for half ounce of simple syrup. I have some triple sec simple syrup, which is just basically an orange liqueur flavored simple syrup. So we'll go a half ounce of the simple syrup. Orange flavored if you can, and then we'll go 1 ounce of white rum, and a half ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. All right, let's give that a shaky Mooks. Okay, and we're gonna double strain that into my daiquiri glass. And then I got some nice cherries as a garnish. And that, my friends, is a Derby daiquiri. Coming up next, we're going to get some Brazilian steak, but not you, my little gaucho. So check it out. episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says we should quote the band Weezer. Leave a 5-star review and we'll leave you one too. You can't knock the hustle. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar. And then, oh,